Welcome to the channel. In this video, let's see how to germinate kale seeds in soil blocks. Prepare the soil mix. If you don't have a pre-made soil block mix, you can create your own by combining equal parts of high-quality potting soil and compost. Mix them thoroughly to create a well-draining and nutrient-rich soil mix. Press the soil mixture firmly into the block maker and then release them onto a flat or tray. Here we are using 3/4 inch soil blocks. Make a small indentation or hole in the center of each soil block with a dibber. Place 2 or 3 kale seeds into each hole. Make sure the seeds have good seed-to-soil contact. Adding a drop of water on each seed will enable the seed to get good contact with the soil. Kale seeds germinate best at temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Kale seeds need not be kept on seedling heat mat. Keep the blocks covered with a burlap so that the soil blocks don't dry up. When we see 50% germination, the seedling tray should be placed under grow light. Now 3 days have passed since seed starting. Here we can see about 50% germination. The soil blocks need to be watered once a day. When watering, pour water away from the soil blocks so that the soil blocks don't lose their shape. After watering, the excess water which is in the tray must be removed. Avoid overwatering, as excessive moisture can lead to damping off disease. If water is let to stand in the tray, it can cause mold growth. This can be placed under light. The light has to be close to the soil blocks so that the seedling don't stretch looking for the light. The seedling needs 16 hours of light. This is the growth in 5 days. At this stage, the seedlings can be transplanted into the soil. If you like this content, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.